So you have to write an essay or a paragraph, or you have to deliver a speech, and you have to talk about a lot of things. And instead of using firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, fifthly, sixthly, and seventhly, and lastly, you're looking for some beautiful and impressive transitional devices that you can use in your essay or paragraph or speech to impress your audience, to impress your examiner. You are on the right place, because I'm going to tell you some impressive transitional devices that you can use instead of using firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, fifthly, and lastly. So instead of saying firstly, how about saying to begin with, to start with, first and foremost, first of all? And instead of saying secondly, thirdly, fourthly, how about using in addition, above and beyond, furthermore, beside this, moreover, further, on the top of that? And instead of saying lastly, how about saying in conclusion, in essence, to conclude, in a nutshell? If you will use these transitional devices, I'm 100% sure that your essay or a paragraph or speech is going to be super impressive, and you are going to get what you wanted to get. Thank you for watching, and for more, follow and hit the subscribe button so that you can get much more videos just like that. Bye bye.